in Chevy. Customers complaining that there is a whining noise when you let off the gas pedal. First thing we need to do is go take it for a test drive and try to duplicate the concern. Oh, I heard it right there. Oh yeah. Yeah, you can definitely hear it. So we're gonna go back to the shop. I'll get up in the air, see what I can see. I think here's our problem right here. The issue is not the drive shaft, the issue is in the rear end. It looks like his pinion has come loose or the bearings have failed. The issue came in for is differential pinion bearings are no good. The whole pinion's moving, it's making noise. So the fix we're going to recommend is get a remanufactured rear axle, and it should be good to go on that noise. Dude, I'm an influencer now. I'm an influencer.